Okay, I would like to see what happens with this in my sink. Okay. Small trickle. Why am I nervous to do this? I don't know what I have. One. It said if you really want to, if it's the first time, do 2 of them. So I'm going to do 2. Didn't go down. Okay. Directions. Ensure the disposal is empty. Run a full steam hot water for a minute. I did that. Reduce to a slow trickle. For single basin sinks, blah, blah, blah. Unwrap and place 2 tablets. Run the disposal for 1 minute. I've never run the disposal without water on. Okay. Here goes. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't think that seems good. Oh my God, it's coming up now. I turned it off, but I still see foam in there. Oh, I don't know what to do. All right, do I turn it on again? Maybe. Okay, well, the foam's gone. I don't know. I assume it works. How do I know if it's clean? It's not like I can incredible shrinking woman in there and see. Okay. I guess that's done.